right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back here in the Maryland office with Natural Transplants, and today we have Rae-Shan back. Rae-Shan, welcome back to you. It's been a long time. This has been quite a journey.
It has been.
So the first
2 years.
I think so. You've done 2 surgeries. The first surgery I think was back in 2021. It went well.
Yes.
The center third, there was 1 or 2 spots that didn't come in quite as strong as we'd like, so we did it a second time in that area, and I think we went well the second time especially. So tell us how your journey went. Tell us how you like it.
Well, just growing up as a woman and, doing creative things with our hair, the wigs, the weaves, the braids, all that, it kind of takes a toll on your edge. And even with your edges and dyeing your hair and all that. And so I'd always wanted to, find out about hair transplant and just nervous and scared and not knowing. And I wanted to do it home in the U.S. Because I wanted that rapport and that comfortability. And so I found you guys. I saw you guys online for a long time. And I just, it was, I think, during COVID, and I wanted to do something for myself. And so I just took the plunge. And I drove myself. I went there by myself, but you guys, it was such easy in the sense that your staff was wonderful. And you were just like my brother from another mother, really. And
we
just,
had fun,
made
we? I know.
feel at home. So.
Oh, that's sweet. Excellent. And so, like I said, first one went really well, but there was the little center part, 1 or 2 areas that didn't come in quite as well as we'd like.
I had 1 or 2 areas that just weren't as full as I wanted to be. And overall, it was a great improvement.
Absolutely.
But I just had 2 areas, I think 2 spots that I told you about, and I wanted more density. I never thought I would go twice.
I know.
Who thinks about getting that done? And,
I know.
And you were so great. You just did it all again. And who thinks that it's enough to get your courage up to do it once, but to do it twice?
I know.
And it was just so worth it. Oh my gosh.
So tell us how it sort of has changed things for you.
Okay, so I have edges, you guys. I mean, that speaks in and of itself, but I'm not scared like if you're outside and the wind blows and your hair goes back and there's hair there. Even because, I'm a crochet braid girl or wig girl, but I can put my wig back a little bit and I have edges when I'm on set, when I'm working. I have edges. I can put my hair in a bun and I have edges, and it's like a dream come true. It's just, your confidence, talking about confidence boost. All of my life, I always wanted to wear my hair like back in a bun or up in a bun, but I never could because my edges are always fine, always thin. But now I can rock that, you guys.
I love it. Like I say, the smile says it all. I love it. Rae-Shan,
it's good.
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind, let's show it off. You can sort of pull your hair back a little bit, and I'm going to have you just sort of look straight at the camera.
Okay.
It's a little.
Y'all is not cute, but it's okay.
It's a little lag. Hold on 1 second until it catches up. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Yep. And then I'll have you look straight back at me. I can look left and right.
Okay.
And then pick a side. There you go. Awesome. And we'll put up the before pictures up there as well too. Hold that for 1 second. Let it catch up. It's lagging a little bit. Internet's a little slow today. Give me 10 seconds, 5 seconds, hopefully. You are good. You're definitely the actress. Hold. Okay. Maybe as good as we're gonna get, but like I said, we'll put the befores up there. It is, you hadn't seen the befores in a while, and we showed you I showed you the before pictures. It is dramatic difference. It is crazy.
I mean, just huge and all. From that, my hair was so fried. I just shaved it and everything. But, I will say, because everybody always talks about the injections. And that was like, it's frightening. But I tell you, the first time, you feel it, but it's doable. And it's almost like, how bad do you want it? You go through it to get what you want. But the second time, you guys have that, what is it, the gas?
The gas,
Oh, man, I'm telling you, ladies, do not stress. Men, don't stress. Just sip that, inhale that gas, and you're good.
I had to rip that from your hands. You wanted to take it home with you, I think. Yeah.
It was so good. And so it made it just made it, it's nothing to stress about anymore. I mean, nobody wants their scalp cut open, but it's nothing.
Right.
So if you're thinking about doing it and you're afraid of the injection, don't worry about that. Inhale that gas and get your.
It's not a reason not to do it. It's not a reason not to do it.
No, not at all.
Awesome.
So whoever came up with that, thank you.
I'll take credit for it. I don't know if it was me, but I'll take credit for it. Rae-Shan, thank you so much. You look incredible. What a transformation. I'm so happy for you. And the smile, like I said, the smile says it all. I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for doing this. Hopefully this helps somebody else out. And, send us your next movie role, your next commercial role. I want to see you up on the screen, okay?
Will do.
Okay.
Will do. Bye,
Take care.
you guys.
Bye-bye.